Labycare is a brand manufactured by SK Scientific and Surgicals, who manufactures ISO, European for Digit Notified, CDSCO certified products. This is ICU Bed, model number SKSS801A, which is having 11 functions, like Backrest, knee rest, chair position, Trendelenburg, reverse Trendelenburg position, height adjustment, electric CPR, Other features of this ICU bed are embedded panels on both sides, X-ray translucent back, LCD touchscreen for section mattress, a BS molded side railing, provision of IV stand, provision of bed extension, Wills locking control, weighing scale of patient weight.
For more details or placing order, contact at 9996888877 or email at info.skscientificindia@gmail.com.